In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with Jira. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection set up using Airtable's built-in options, so you can bring Jira data into your base without extra tools. Start inside the Airtable base where you want the integration to live. It's best to choose the base and table that will actually use the Jira information, so you don't have to move fields around later. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to add data sources to this base, and that your Jira account has access to the projects you plan to pull from. Look to the top left of your Airtable workspace and select Add or Import. This opens Airtable's data intake tools, which let you bring in content from files and from external apps. You're heading to the catalog of sources where the Jira options live. If you don't see Jira right away, choose the option that expands the full list of sources. This reveals the complete gallery, so you're not limited to the most common connectors. It's a quick way to get to all available integrations in one place. Use the search bar at the top of that gallery and type Jira. The list will instantly narrow to the Jira options. This is helpful because there can be several variations, such as Jira for cloud-hosted sites versus other flavors. Filtering here avoids clicking around and make sure you select the connector that matches how your team uses Jira. Pick the Jira option that aligns with your setup and goals. Then follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account. You'll be guided through a secure authorization flow. Typically, you'll confirm your Jira site and sign in if you aren't already. If your organization uses single sign-on, complete that step as usual. When permissions are requested, review them and approve to allow Airtable to read the data it needs. For a smooth experience, use a Jira account with at least browse permission on the relevant projects. If you have access to multiple Jira sites, double-check you're authorizing the correct one. After granting access, you'll be brought back to Airtable and the connection will be ready to use. That's the entire setup. To recap the essentials, start in the right Airtable base, open Add or Import, expand the full source gallery, search for Jira, choose the Jira connector that fits your environment, and complete the account verification. Once authorized, your integration is in place and ready for the next steps you plan inside Airtable.